Inkulumo yesimo sedolobha yemeya uGwamanda yendulelwe umcimbi. uGwamanda kapholisanga maseko wasola umfelandawonye oholwa yiDA ngokusaphaza imali yedolobha.
By the end of June 2021, the government of local unities audited financial statements reflected a city with a healthy cash balance of 6.6 billion. However, upon our return in January 2023, when we took over from the multi-party coalition, we find a near bankrupt government.
Kucacile ukuthi isimo sezimali saleli dolobha asikho sihle nakancane.
We did come into a financial problem in the city, and one issue was owing suppliers to the tune of about 6 billion, an amount that we have now pushed to reduce it.
uGwamanda ugxekwe nangokubalekela bezindaba ngemuva kwenkulumo yakhe.
Members of the mayoral committee who are part and parcel of his mayoral committee are able to speak to the media on any follow-up issues. This was a comprehensive state of the city address to give hope to the people of Johannesburg.
Kuphinde kwamenyezelwa ukuthi abaqapha abangamakhulu amabili bazosebenzisana namaphoyisa womkhandlu dolobha eGoli ekulweni nobugebengu kuleli dolobha.